Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to file AOS K1. First, understand that the adjustment of status process is crucial for K1 visa holders seeking permanent residency in the United States. You'll need to submit Form I-485, which is the core application. Gathering all required supporting documents, such as your birth certificate, marriage certificate, and financial evidence, is essential for a smooth process. Pay close attention to the filing fees and submission instructions to avoid delays. Beyond Form I-485, you'll need to include several other critical documents. Your U.S. citizen spouse must file Form I-864, the affidavit of support, demonstrating they can financially support you. Also, ensure you have an up-to-date Form I-693, the report of medical examination, completed by an approved civil surgeon. Don't forget to provide strong evidence of your marriage's authenticity, like shared financial accounts or property leases, to prove it's bona fide. After submitting your application, you and your U.S. citizen spouse will likely be scheduled for an interview at a USCIS office. This interview is a crucial step where an officer will ask questions about your relationship and verify the information in your application. Be honest and consistent in your answers. Following a successful interview, USCIS will make a decision on your adjustment of status application, hopefully leading to your permanent resident status. Once your adjustment of status is approved, congratulations. You'll receive a conditional permanent resident card, typically valid for 2 years. It's vital to remember that before this card expires, you must file Form I-751, petition to remove conditions on residence, to obtain your 10-year green card. This step is crucial for maintaining your permanent resident status. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.